now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Good morning and happy Wednesday. We've issued a local alert weather day for our day today due to the chance of seeing a couple pop-up storms later this afternoon. So if you're looking to get out there on the water, you are going to want to do it through the first half of the day because you do not want to be out on the water if you get caught underneath a thunderstorm. Here's your live look from Black Butte Ranch this morning. Clear blue skies. It is setting up to be a beautiful day, but we do have those thunderstorms rolling in a little bit later this afternoon. But those temperatures are warm, very warm even, getting into those 90s today for some of us, and even warmer on Saturday. We're heating up to near record heat for some of us as we head into the weekend. So that warm pattern, it continues for the next few days. We have a local alert weather day for today, just that level 1, that yellow color for that chance of seeing some isolated thunderstorms. We're starting to switch gears. We ended snow season, ski season, and now we have to start looking ahead towards fire season. So these isolated thunderstorms that start rolling through, especially as we get a little bit drier in the summer, we get a little bit warmer, we'll have to start watching out for any potential new fire starts. Here today, much of eastern half of Oregon is under that general risk for some isolated thunderstorms later this afternoon by the Storm Prediction Center. Just a couple pop-up storms. They look to be dry storms as we head into the afternoon, which means that they're moisture starved. Not a lot of that rain is making it to the ground, at least for us here in the high desert. If we see a couple storms along the Cascades, might be a little bit wetter, but for us in the high desert, it does look like we're just going to get some dry lightning and some dry thunderstorms rolling through. Here today, though, at least we're starting our day with some mostly clear skies. That system's rolling in, though, and we're going to stay mostly clear for the first half of the day. Not a lot of clouds rolling in through the second half of the day. They're going to be really isolated storms. So you can see here 3 p.m. areas where we don't have any cloud cover and just a bit of cloud cover around some of those storms. Anywhere from 1 to 3, we'll say, is when we could start to see some of those storms develop. They're going to develop to our south and start traveling north through the afternoon. This is 5 p.m. We're seeing pop-up storms along 97, and they'll continue to move and exit through the northern part of our region by the end of the night. So anywhere from, we'll say, 8 to 10 p.m. is when we're going to start to see those die down. Then we head into Thursday, have a couple scattered showers out to our west, some cloud cover, but for us, we're going to stay dry. We're not seeing any rain make it over to us, and we just have a couple clouds rolling in and out before we clear out again heading into the weekend. Today, winds are going to pick up as those storms roll through. We get some rain, cooled air, even if rain doesn't make it to the ground, and we get some downdrafts underneath those storms. So you can see Redmond, 27-mile-an-hour gusts there at 5 p.m. We can get anywhere from 20 to 25, maybe a little bit more if you do get caught underneath one of those storms through those afternoon hours before settling back down in those late night hours. Right now, temperatures 30s, 40s, 52 in Warm Springs, 37 in Sisters, but afternoon highs in those 90s. We're about 20 degrees above normal for this time of year, and we're heating up fast, getting already into those 80s before lunchtime today. We have a 92 in Redmond and Warm Springs and 80s in Sisters, Sun River, and Lapine, and then lows tonight are going to drop down into the 40s and 50s. I'll show you your 7-day forecast, local weather day for your day today. Cooling slightly on Thursday, but we heat up again as we head into the weekend. 87 Friday, record heat on Saturday.